We are the Fast Fix Service Center. We know just how important your mobile is to you. Jovan, a boy who recently bought a new branded phone, he finds his happiness in taking selfies. One day, accidentally his phone fell out of his hands. Yes, it's broken. That made him sad. One of his friends saw it. He just gave some advice for perfect salvation. 1. Not to be worried. There is a quick fix for everything. 2. Check online. Fast Fix Mobile Center to find your local store. 3. Just hand over your phone. It will be passed through to our expert technicians. 4. Just relax and enjoy the peace and quiet for 59 minutes. 5. Take back your shiny mobile phone and restart your digital life. And also, we can offer you repair in no time and a long warranty period. Before you say ta-ta, don't forget to check out our range of cases and accessories. Fast Fix, more than just repair.